In this video, we will learn about ways you can export your IdeaScale community and campaign data. Administrators have the ability to export IdeaScale data into various Excel or CSV file formatted reports. Some of the data exports include member data, groups, member roles, idea data, stage data, idea data with comments and tags, export audit log. To export data, you will first need to decide which type of export makes the most sense. If you want to learn more about member engagement, you can export member, group data, or an audit log about all members who have authenticated or failed to authenticate in the community. To learn more about a campaign's ideas and all data related to ideas, you can export idea, stage, idea data with comments and tags, top ideas, or idea votes exports. For a full list of reports, you can visit the IdeaScale Support Center and search Overview of IdeaScale's Data Export. To export data, you will need to be a global administrator or a custom administrator with export abilities. To export, go to Community Settings, then Reporting and Analysis, and then Export Data. In the Export Data menu, you will see all the possible exports options. Select the export that you desire. I will export idea data, which is a complete set of idea data for archival purposes. I have the option to export file attachments, set a range of dates, set my time zone, specify a campaign, and include geolocation information when allowed in the community. Data can be generated in Excel format. Once you click on Export Data, a link to the file will be generated, which can then be downloaded, and at the same time, an automated email with a file attachment will be sent to the administrator as a receipt of the request performed. You can access the file at a later date from Reports and Analysis, Export Data, and Data Export Log. You can now format the downloaded Excel exports into your desired reporting format.